What's going on, guys? Well, we've made some progress. So we are ready for, I'm going to do a little bit more cleaning tonight. Just make sure that everything is perfect. And then I'll go ahead and put the chain on. Still waiting on a water pump back in play. Oh, and I'm also going to go ahead and do the thermostat housing right there. I've got a new one that I painted that will house two sensors, one for the electric fan and one for the temp sender for the gauge that I'm going to install inside the cab. So, and then I've got some other little parts that I've had coming in. I've been looking for originals. Like, I got this right here is the original choke. Let's see here. If I can open this and hold the camera at the same time. I want to destroy the box. The electric choke. I put a generic one on there, you know, and it just never did quite work the same as the Motorcraft did. So I got a Motorcraft new old stock. This is an original manufactured part, and I can tell it's heavier. Something a little new. For my battery tender. That way I don't have to open the hood anymore. You know, because every time you open and close this big hood, it puts stress on it. So this way I can minimize the amount of times that I open and close it. So now I've got to get that air horn painted, and the other side the valve cover gasket, because they look nasty now. Look at that. Ugh. Anyhow, just quick update. Carrying on. What's up, guys? Update. Got everything taken apart, doing the final degreasing on this. I've already lined the cam and the crank up to straight up position. I've also had to switch the distributor back or actually I guess forward a tooth to be able to get back close to where I was before I adjusted the cam. So this way it'll fire up, and then I can time it whenever I get it running. So anyhow, I'm gonna let that stuff work. I've already test fitted the chain. Everything so far so good. So like I said, we'll keep letting this stuff work here, and then you know, just get it cleaned up as possible, and then tomorrow night I'll see what's up. Okay, did the test fit. So I cut off 4 of the old bolts, cleaned up the threads, and then I'm going to use it to assist me in hanging this. So I'm going to take the spacer, and that's going to be what I'm going to use as my centering tool. I'll insert it into with this all off, of course, before I hang it. There it is. I've got the helper fan installed. Shroud has been repainted, repaired it, got the aux cooler tubes in place. It's coming together. Try this again. Come on, baby. Come on, Polly. Let's make this happen this time. Okay, this thing's heavy. Okay. Oh man. So everything has been degreased, wired brushed, sanded, etch primed, that one's actually already done. Oh my gosh, I'm so tired. But anyways, just about to put the main coats on. What did you do that for? Look at you. You're all dirty now. You know she ain't gonna let you in like that.